to help us in fighting the war against aging. Most recently, we have identified and entered into a partnership with LifeGen Technologies to win this war against aging. We partnered with LifeGen Technologies because this is a company that was founded by two of the foremost scientists in age research. Professor Weindrich and Professor Tom Proller, they both have spent close to 30 years combined in understanding the genetic basis of aging. Professor Weindrich and Proller's work has been cited time and time again by other well-known scientists who use their work to conduct new studies in aging.
LifeGen was started based on our base initial patent, which is a method to measure the aging process using gene expression profiles. As a result of our technology, we have identified a very critical set of genes, which we call aging supermarkers.
We now have tools which can tell us which particular ways that cells work are affected by the dietary intervention that we are examining.
Together, these discoveries allow us to develop a process or a method to locate and identify age-related genes very quickly and very accurately.
We can examine the entire genome at once. That allows us to tell for each particular tissue, for example, the heart, the brain, muscle, which particular pattern of genes leads to aging or modulates the aging process. So it allows us to get a global view that you cannot get by focusing on single genes. Other companies may focus on one gene, one pathway, and how a single compound impacts that pathway. With our technology, we can measure how combinations of nutrients impact several pathways related to aging at the same time. So this is an enormous advantage in our ability to monitor the aging process and to design interventions.
All we're doing is to spring clean those genes, is to restore the activity of those genes, or what we call the gene expression. They are capable of doing that insofar as that you need to change the oil in your car so that to keep the car running at 100% peak performance is the same thing with your genes. Over years, they get dirty, and all we're doing is to clean up that dirt or get that dirt off those genes with vitality. So it's very safe. No cancer potential. Gene expression science. There is no going back, guys. This is the world. This is the business opportunity. Anybody who says they have a better method or a better alternative is lying, practically. Because on the science side, this is where we're going. It's the gene world, and that's the gene expression science. When we first started off on this journey on age lock, you know, when I tried to explain this to the first group of folks actually in the company, it was difficult to appreciate what we have discovered or what we have uncovered. And that is that it's game over for the competitors. It's game on for all of you. And that finally, the DNA is in your destiny. So, that's what we have in age lock, and that's why we're going to dominate the anti-aging industry, and we can only do that through all of you here. Thank you.